guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a car review on the 2016 Honda Accord. Let's go ahead and unlock it. Very nice. Very, very nice. In the back. The beeping is because the headlights are on while the doors open. But yeah, nice back seats, spacious, very spacious. Here's a Chevy Cruze, just showing. Very spacious back seats. I don't know what year because I can't remember. Sorry. Nice driver's seat. Very nice passenger seats. Nice front end. Back seats again. And yeah, let's go on the test drive. Alright, let's go. Let's get it. Alrighty, we're gonna go to the gas station, then the dealership. Cool. I am gonna pin in with a Chevy Cruze interior, but I'm gonna do the test drive next video, which will be after this one. If my storage is good enough, it's pretty full. Going a little too fast anyways. Very, very nice. It's just let's back up. Oopsies. Let's redo that. I think this has parking sensors. Yep, it sure does. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and go inside and get some coffee. Could have parked a little closer, but it's okay. Alrighty, let's wait. Alright, let's go. Got my coffee. I'm gonna take the back roads home. Just testing its turn signals. That's it. Oopsies. I'm hitting random key buttons. Alright, let's floor it here. Let's test the speed out. So since it's a back road, nobody drives on the back road. Oh, this thing is speeding. Oh, I think I can stop past the turnicle. And I wrecked. My airbags went off. Yeah, and this game has airbags on most cars. I said most, so something like that. Let's back up right here. Maybe I'll just go up to the front. Just because. that was